Good day everyone! It's me again, Teacher Koy, at welcome po kayo dito sa Isip Math Tutorial. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay performs operations on rational algebraic expressions. Pero bago po ang lahat, marami pong salamat sa lahat ng mga bubisita ng ating channel at sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. Kaya kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin yung notification bell para maging update po tayo sa lahat ng ating mga videos.
Performs operations on rational algebraic expressions. So, uunahin po natin yung adding and subtracting similar and dissimilar rational algebraic expression. This is for the grade 8 mathematics, first quarter, week 4. Adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. If two rational expressions have the same denominators, then their sum is defined by a over b plus c over b is equal to a plus c over b, and their difference is defined by a over b minus c over b is equal to a minus c over b. So kung mag-add po tayo or mag-subtract ng isang rational algebraic expression na similar yung kanilang denominator, ibig sabihin magkapareho yung denominators nila. Para lang tayo nag-add ng fraction na pareho yung denominators. So these are the steps in adding and subtracting rational expressions with like denominator. Step number 1, add and subtract the numerators. Step number 2, copy the similar denominator. And step number 3, simplify if possible. So I have here example number 1. Ito po yung given. X plus 1 over x squared plus 3x plus x minus 2 over x squared plus 3x. So kung nakikita po natin dito, yung first term po natin ito, yung first term po natin at saka si second term, magkapareho yung denominators nila, x squared plus 3x. So step number 1, add or subtract the numerators. Since this is an addition, so add po natin yung numerators. Our numerators is x plus 1 at saka si x minus 2. So nagiging ganito. Nilagyan natin ng parentheses para mas ma-identify. So x plus 1 plus x minus 2. Step number 2, copy the similar denominator. Dahil makapareho sila ng denominator, kukopyahin lang po natin. So yung denominator dito magiging x squared plus 3x. Simplify. Step number 3, simplify. So tanggalin natin yung parenthesis, magiging x plus 1 plus x minus 2. May dalawang x po tayo, so x plus x magiging 2x. Meron po tayong plus 1 at saka minus 2 or positive 1 and negative 2. Magiging negative 1. At saka yung denominator po natin, x squared plus 3x. So our final answer is 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 3x. Punta naman po tayo sa ating second example. Ito po yung given natin, x squared plus 4 over x cubed plus 3x plus 2 minus x minus 4 over x cubed plus 3x plus 2. So yung denominators po nila ay magkapareho, x cubed plus 3x plus 2. And this is a subtraction. So first step, add or subtract the numerators. Our numerators are x squared plus 4 and x minus 4. So subtract po natin. So quantity x squared plus 4 minus quantity x minus 4. Then copy the similar denominator. Our denominator is x cubed plus 3x plus 2. Kukopyahin lang po natin yan. So ito po yon. Then, step number 3, simplify. Tatanggalin po natin yung parentheses. So, magiging x squared plus 4. Nagiging minus x po to dahil pag-distribute natin tong negative sign, magiging minus x. Tsaka, itong negative 4 magiging plus 4. So, magiging x squared plus 4 minus x plus 4 over x cubed plus 3x plus 2. Simplify. May x squared pa tayo, isa lang. Meron pa tayong minus x at saka dalawang positive 4 or plus 4. So ma-add po natin itong dalawang 4. So magiging plus 8. So our final answer is x squared minus x plus 8 over x cubed plus 3x plus 2. Ngayon, punta po tayo sa adding and subtracting dissimilar rational algebraic expression. Ito po yung steps in adding and subtracting rational expressions with different denominators. This time, magkaiba yung denominators nila. Step number 1, completely factor each denominator. So, i-factor po natin yung kanilang denominator. Step number 2, find the least common denominator or LCD for all the denominators by multiplying together the different prime factors with the greatest exponent for each factor. Yung nakuha nating factors ng ating denominator sa first step or step number 1, sila po yung i-multiply natin. Hahanapin natin yung prime factors na may greatest exponent para po makuha natin yung LCD or least common denominator. For step number 3, rewrite each fraction so it has the LCD as its denominator by multiplying its fraction by the value 1 in an appropriate form. I-rewrite po natin yung fraction na LCD na po yung gagamitin nating denominator. Step number 4, combine numerators as indicated and keep the LCD as the denominator. Combine po natin yung numerator, tapos keep lang natin yung LCD as their denominator. Step number 5, simplify the resulting rational expression if possible. Okay, so let's go to our example number 1. For our dissimilar rational algebraic expression, we have here the given 4 over x squared minus 16. First number natin, plus 3 over x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, kung nakikita natin sa given, magkaiba yung denominators nila. Yung isa, x squared minus 16. Yung isa naman, x squared plus 8x plus 16. Step number 1, factor each denominator. Yung x squared minus 16, this is a difference of two squares. So, ito po yung factor niya. Quantity x plus 4 times the quantity x minus 4. And for the second term, ang denominator niya is x squared plus 8x plus 16. This is a perfect square trinomial. Yes. The factor of x squared is x. The factor of 16 is 4. Then x times 4 is 4x times 2. Nagiging 8x. So, the factor of x squared plus 8x plus 16 is quantity x plus 4 square. So, ang gagamitin nating LCD, ito, quantity x minus 4, galing dito, times the quantity x plus 4 square. Ito po yung gagamitin natin dahil ito po yung highest exponent. So, disregard natin si x plus 4. Okay, so, let's continue. Step number 3, rewrite each fraction so that the LCD is its denominator. So, ito po yung LCD natin. Quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4 square. Ito po yung given natin, 4 over x squared minus 16 plus 3 over x squared plus 8x plus 16. Rewrite lang po natin. Okay, so magiging 4 over the factor of x squared minus 16 is quantity x plus 4 times the quantity x minus 4. Then plus 3 over the factor of x squared plus 8x plus 16 is quantity x plus 4 square. Okay, so multiply po natin. 'Di ba? Yung prime factor po nila. Okay, so para makuha po yung LCD na magiging denominators po nila. So we have here 4 over quantity x plus 4 times quantity x minus 4. Multiply po natin ng x plus 4 or quantity x plus 4 over quantity x plus 4. Kasi if we multiply this one to this one, magiging x minus 4 or quantity x minus 4 times quantity x plus 4 squared, diba? Quantity x plus 4 times quantity x plus 4 magiging quantity x plus 4 squared. Tsaka magiging ganito. Okay, dun sa taas magiging 4 times the quantity x plus 4. Pag distribute natin si 4, magiging 4x. Then 4 times 4 magiging 16. So nagiging 4x plus 16 over quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4 squared. Sa second term naman po natin, we have 3 over quantity x plus 4 squared. Multiply po natin ng x or quantity x minus 4 over quantity x minus 4 para magiging quantity x minus 4 times quantity x plus 4 square yung denominator niya. Diba? Ito yon. Tapos yung sa taas, 3 times the quantity x minus 4. Distribute natin si 3, magiging 3x. At saka, 3x times negative 4 magiging negative 12. So, nagiging 3x minus 12 over quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4 squared. So, kung nakikita natin dito, magkapareho na sila ng denominator. So, pwede na nating ma-add using the steps on adding similar, diba, denominators, yung kanina. Okay, so, magiging ganito. Step number 4, combine numerators and keep the LCD as the denominator. So, combine po natin yung numerator. Yung numerator po natin is 4x plus 16 plus 3x plus 12. So, 4x plus 3x magiging 7x. Meron po tayong plus 16 at saka minus 12. So, magiging 7x plus 4 over quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4 square. Yung LCD po natin. Step number 5, simplify. But this rational expression cannot be simplified further. So therefore, our final answer is 7x plus 4 over quantity x minus 4 times the quantity x plus 4 squared. Okay, so we have here example number 2. Still on adding and subtracting dissimilar rational algebra expression. So we have here the given x plus 3 over x squared minus 5x minus 6 minus 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 7x plus 6. So yung denominators po nila magkaiba, diba? So dissimilar. Step number 1, we first find the factor of each denominator. So our first term, ang kanyang denominator is x squared minus 5x minus 6. So the factor of this one is quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x plus 1. Okay, so review po natin yung ating factoring sa week 1 and 2 po natin para po makuha po natin o malaman po natin kung ano po yung steps sa pag-factor ng ganito. So, okay, so this is a trinomial whose leading numerical coefficient is 1. Okay, so x times x, that is x squared, x times 1, that is plus x or positive 1x. Then negative x times x is negative 6x. Then negative 6 times 1, that is negative 6. Tapos meron po tayong isang positive x at saka isang negative 6x. So magiging negative 5x yung sa gitna. Then yung factor naman sa ating second term na denominator, x squared minus 7x plus 6. This is also a trinomial whose leading numerical coefficient is 1. So the factor of this one is quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1. So x times x, that is x squared. X times negative 1, that is negative 1x or negative x. Then negative 6x times positive x, the result is negative 6x. Then negative 6 times negative 1, the result is positive 6. So meron po tayong negative x at saka negative 6x. I-add po natin yan, ang result is negative 7x. Okay, so based po sa factor na nakuha natin, ito po yung magiging LCD po natin, di ba? X, quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. Meron po tayong dalawang x minus 6 dito. Pero isa lang po yung gagamitin natin. Diba? Okay, so next. Step number 3. Ito po yun. So, multiply po natin yung prime factor para makuha natin si LCD. So, we have here our first term, 2x plus 1 over yung factor ng kanyang denominator na quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1. Multiply po natin ng x plus 1 over x plus 1 para makuha po natin yung LCD na quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. So, ito po yun. Tapos, yung sa taas, numerator po natin, magiging quantity 2x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. Okay. So, minus, ito po yung second term natin, x plus 3 over quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x plus 1. Ito po yung factor ng kanyang denominator. Multiply po natin ng x minus 1 over x minus 1 para makuha po natin yung LCD na quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 1. So, ang kanyang numerator magiging quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 1. Okay. So, simplify. Step number 4 po natin, saka step number 5. Simplify po natin. So, magiging, distribute po natin to 2x times x, that is 2x squared. Tapos 2x times 1, that is 2x. Diba? Plus 2x. Meron po tayong 1 times x, that is positive 1x or positive x, magiging 3x. Diba? Makombine po natin sila. Tapos, positive 1 times positive 1, still positive 1. So, minus the quantity x squared. Saan galing si x squared? Ito, dinistribute natin si x dito. Multiply natin si quantity x plus 3 times quantity x minus 1. So, x times x, that is x squared. Tapos, x times negative 1, the result is negative x. Meron po tayong positive 3 times positive x. So, plus 3x. So, plus 3x minus sa isang negative x. So, magiging plus 2x. Tapos, positive 3 times negative 1, the result is negative 3. So, ito na po yun. Okay. So, tanggalin natin yung parentheses. So, magiging 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 minus x squared. Tapos, yung plus 2x magiging minus 2x kasi i-distribute natin tong sign. Di ba? Tapos, yung huling term is plus 3. Di ba? This is negative or minus or subtraction times negative 3. The result is positive 3. So, kinulayan ko po ng pula yung mga like terms. Yung mga x squared, saka blue yung merong variable x, at saka green yung walang variable. So, we have here 2x squared. Tapos, itong isa, minus x squared. So, the result is x squared. Ito. We have also positive 3x. Tapos merong minus 2x. So, the result is plus x. Ito. Meron pa tayong plus 1 or positive 1. At saka positive 3. So, ma-add natin sila. Magiging plus 4. So, our final answer is x squared plus x plus 4 over our LCD, which is quantity x minus 6 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity x plus 1.
That's all for today mga kaisip math. At sana nakatulong po ko sa inyo. At sana marami pa kayong natutunan. At sa lahat ng humihingi ng soft copy ng ating topic, andyan po sa description ng video na to yung email address ko. Kaya feel free to message me. And see you in my next video.